So that's what this is talking about. Now I as a best practice always do manual. Because there's a lot of placements. And there's some of these that you're not. The first one you're not gonna wanna show up on is this one down here, apps and sites. These are third-party apps and websites. Outside Facebook. Outside of WhatsApp. And oftentimes, the quality of these placements are really bad. They show up on apps. Picture cropping tool, for example. Or a game that you download. That is. So, as a default, I do not use this. Alright, feeds. Very important. Look at how many different feeds there are. Instagram feed. Oh my god, endless. The ones that you're gonna want to remove. We're gonna be running a video ad, which is going to be important. Right-hand column. Everything else I'm okay with. Now stories and reels. People love reels, they crush. As long as your video's formatted in a way that it works. And also that isn't too long. I would just leave this on as a default and stream. Again, as long as your video and your content is formatted in, stream is going to run primarily on Facebook. That's when you have like the watch. One of your watch tabs. Not in between videos. So if you're watching like 10-minute video. So I'm fine with everything else. For you to understand is that your eyes. So if it's seeing more, Facebook's gonna dynamically move it there. Feed or reels. And there's actually a way. Here in your reporting, you can see by delivery and then you can see platform. Or you could also do placement. And it's going to show you all the different places. What's driving the most amount of link clicks and CTR? Okay, moving on. So, alright, placements. And then show more options. Gives you some additional control. 99% of time is probably not gonna be relevant for. So I would just leave things as they are here. If you're very concerned, maybe you have like, or in a country that just doesn't. I don't know. You might want to use the only one connected to Wi-Fi. But again, 9 times out of 10. Okay, brand safety controls. This is gonna be relevant. Mainly if you're doing the in-stream videos. Because what happens is this lets you select what kind of videos your ads are gonna be showing up. Will show up in full inventory. Means it could be shown on anything. Content that your video shows up in front of. A standard inventory has some kind of filtering. There's some sensitive topics that get filtered out. And then limited inventory would be. And you know. You only want it associated. I would say this is probably relevant for like. I think for most people. If you are using the in-string video as one of the placements. Audience network. If you're using that, 9 times out of 10. So I'm not gonna go into detail. For audience targeting is optimization and delivery. So our goal here is conversions. And you might be thinking, well, wait. Yes, our goal is leads, but this is a conversion optimized campaign. It just so happens to be that what we're defining as a conversion is someone that converged through the website. generating a lead. As long as up here, as long as you selected leads, and as long as you know the conversion event you selected is lead. Because you could also create custom conversions. Might use the contact a standard event as a lead. There's different ways you can name this stuff. And again, there's separate videos I have on this that will guide you on how to set up your pixel and tag the right events.